Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So, oh my gosh, this register reward, the one with the big check right hand corner, is rolling, meaning you can do it with multiple deals and it keeps printing, and it's a little bit of magic and razzle dazzle to get like all of that stuff so cheap, the Head and Shoulders and the safeguards, and a very cheap Tide as well. So this is the coupon that's been rolling for most of this week. I know part of the week we were having issues, but it's rolling again. So definitely do this deal as a leap of faith, and definitely pay the attention to when it's expiring. Mine is expiring next Sunday, but the one I was getting earlier in the week, it was expiring in the middle of the week. So it's a very quick one, and it's a manufacturer register reward that you can throw into another P&G deal, and another one should print for you. Now, if you do not like any of the items that I picked, or you're just like, I don't really like that scent, what you should do is definitely open up the Walgreens app when you are in store. These are in-store deals only. And if you see this verbiage of earn 5, spend 20, you know you're picking the right stuff. Or alternatively, it might be tagged like this. And if you look at the bottom right-hand corner, this is ending on the 2nd, which is Saturday. So the fun ends that day. So do these deals before Saturday the 2nd in store. You can't do these curbside. Okay, so deal number 1. This has been all over social media, and I did this deal yesterday, and it's terrific. I did it on both of my cards to grab 2 Head and Shoulders and 2 of the safeguards. For the Head and Shoulders, you're either going to have a 3 off a 2 or a 4 off a 2. And the safeguard, we have a 50-cent digital. So I'm just going to give you the visuals in the store because I know a lot of you really appreciate it. With the Head and Shoulders, they're $6 each, $5 register reward when you buy 2. And we have that. I had a 3 off a 2 digital coupon. I didn't have the 4, although I had the 4, but it wasn't attaching. It's weird. And then these hand soaps are 2 for $8. $2 register reward when you buy 2. It must be on some weird monthly promotion because it's not tagged in the store. And we have this digital coupon. And they do have a couple fall scents too, but I just went with the lemon one and the lavender one just to show you the overall receipt. Safeguard and Head and Shoulders is there. So I hit my $20 threshold of spend 20 to get back that $5 register reward. The $5 came off from another deal that I did the day previous. It's that P&G one. I got the cashier to scan. And then my 2 digitals that include the 3 off 2 for the Head and Shoulders and the 50 center for safeguard, also melting off. So I paid $11.50 plus tax. Unfortunately, I don't have any Walgreens cash to throw into the mix because for the last 2 weeks, we really haven't seen a booster. So I am like Walgreens poor. So I paid this out of pocket. But what I got back was exactly $12 in register rewards. So it basically made this kind of free. If you look at it, if you want to subtract that first $5 P&G register reward, if you don't have it, it would be $5 for this basket, which is still fantastic. And just to show you, the top one is for the spend 20, get back 5. We have the $2 for the safeguard and then the $5 for the Head and Shoulders. So this worked out just beautifully. I love Head and Shoulders shampoo, especially if you use a lot of dry shampoo, hairspray, like stuff for your hair. This just really cleans the hair in a certain way. If you know, you know. So this is just a great value for that Head and Shoulders. The next deal that we're going to look at is deal number 2. It is to grab 2 of the safeguards and 1 Tide. So if you're like, hey, not a Head and Shoulders shopper, but I still want to do a deal, I think this would be the one to do. And it equals to about $20.99 for this basket. So we have our 50-cent digital for that safeguard hand soap. And so if you wanted to do deal number 1, you pick and choose wisely which deal you want to do. And then we're going to grab one of these $12.99 Tides and definitely open up that app to ensure that, you know, the that message of spend 20, get back 5 is attaching to whatever scent of Tide you're picking up. You might have that $5 P&G one at the top. Use it along with the $3 digital for Tide. Alternatively, if you want to go with Tide Pods, you can do that as well. Just to show you this basket here, so $8 for the 2 safeguards, $12.99 for the Tide, for a total of $20.99. If you might have that $5 register reward from P&G, throw it in. and then $3.50 in digitals melting off, $3 for the Tide liquid and 50 cents for Safeguard, to pay $12.49 and to get back $7 in register rewards. 5 for spending 20 on P&G, and then 2 for Safeguard. And if you wish to use Walgreens cash, by all means go for it. Unfortunately, I didn't want to do this deal because I want to do this deal with the Tide next week, because I believe we have a buy 2 get a $4 register reward. And we also got these. They appeared on Wednesday. We have an 8 back when we spend 40. We haven't seen this in 2 weeks. And then this is a monthly progressive. Mine is to make 5 purchases at $35 plus to get back $20 in Walgreens cash. Go in your digital coupons folder at the very top. They should be there, and load them. And these start next week if you look at the dates. Before I take off, guys, wishing everybody a very happy Halloween. One of our barn cats who likes to visit, she's out there, and of course we're going to have some special treats for her. But for all the kiddos that may show up, I have various crayon packs and different treats, a whole bunch of them, and larger sizes, because we coupon. We can do this stuff along with the toothpaste, because that's just funny. And, maybe in the comments down below, you can let me know what kind of treats you're handing out. And that's it for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.